MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to,
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
this is start of game number 4. We have Vizier Basketball going up against the Rizal Knights once again. Pero nasa 13 and under division naman tayo. Still here at Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. Here at the city of Manila. Dito sa City Arena. And Justin Almeida still here. Joined by John Mahadi. This will be my last game, and 2 more for John. Later on, being joined by Baron Mercado, ang all-around director. PA daw. Player pa nga dito sa 13 and under division. And John, kamusta ka naman?
So far, so good, no? At nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating 4th game. Ngayon, lipat naman tayo sa 13 under to Rizal Knights again. Versus CMG Ballers, no? Tingnan natin kung ano yung game na meron sila. At special mention natin si Baron dahil sobrang aga niya pumunta. Talagang dedicated sa pagtatrabaho.
Siyempre, yung mga good habits na sinasabi natin. At saka, alam mo yung kunento ko sa'yo earlier, yung may father na coach na yung anak niya 5 years old daw.
Yes.
Si Coach Mike yun, yung naka-black dito sa Vizier.
Okay, I see.
Father siya ni Fifth Gonzalez. Kanina nakita ko yung bata nag-shooting sa 9 and under division siya.
So bata pa lang nakitaan na yan, no? Siyempre, especially kay coach dahil coach siya di ba?
So, MVP yung anak na sa 9 and under last. Yung Pocket League 9 and under division.
Ganon ka advance yung anak ni coach, no? Pero syempre kung ikaw nga naman coach, imposibleng di gagaling yung anak mo dahil coach ka.
Tutok eh.
Ganon talaga. Meron din akong coach na yung anak niya talagang player talaga. As in, simula bata. As in, sinasama na niya sa mga games. So, syempre lumaki yung bata na sobrang competitive at talaga namang iba yung talent. Kung kilala mo si Kiefer Alas.
Okay, kala ko. Daming keeper eh.
Pero si Kiefer Alas, diba? Ano siya? Nasa Amerika na siya ngayon naglaro.
Actually, nandito siya sa sa 18 and under division
diba?
natin
Nung
for
last, galing din siya dito, di ba?
Oo.
Isipin mo yung nagagawa nitong Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, di ba? Na mas maraming nasa-showcase na talents, di ba? Kagaya nun ni Kiefer, galing din siya dito, pero nasa abroad na siya ngayon. Pero isa yun sa sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, na tinutukan siya dahil yung coach niya, si Coach Louie Alas, naging coach ko din yun dun sa team namin. So,
Zamboanga, no?
yeah, tapos yung kuya niya, di ba? Si Kuya Kevin. Saka ang galing kasi pare silang gilas. So, syempre kung coach ka, di ba? You know,
Yung mindset, no?
yung anak mo, for sure, sana ganun, di ba? Kung kunyari.
Blessing rin talaga na, all you can ask for is yung mahilig lang sana yung anak mo sa laro. Kasi kung yung mga
Lalo pag
matuturo,
lalaki, no?
yung mga tinuturo, madali na yun kasi nandyan na yung knowledge sa father, sa coach. Yung hilig
Yung
na lang.
hilig talaga.
Oo. So, 3.5 minutes have gone by. Just 1 point so far by Vizier Ballers off a free throw. Slow start muna tayo, no, on the offensive end.
Medyo maganda rin yung depensa nitong magkabilang team na to. Lahat kung may pressure, talagang they giving hard time para maka-score.
Kita mo yun, just in plays like those, doubling off the post. Getting the turnover. Offensive rebound, pero still, wala pa rin tayong field goal. Well, you with the ball. Nice forward pass there. Attacking inside and was able to draw the foul. That's going to be a shooting foul. 2 shots for number 25 of the Rizal Knights. That's Gabriel Ong.
Kaya mukhang dito, makaka-score na sila.
Still looking for their first point. Habang nag-free throws doon si Gabriel Ong. Batiin natin ang ating mga katrabaho. Sir Jaime Mendejar. Coach Anton de los Reyes na nag-iingay na sa group chat. Kasama na rin si Coach F. Lianto open for 3 but overshoots it. That's an air ball. Vizier with another attempt off the offensive rebound and they get it to go. That's Christoph Sichon, or sorry, Anton Cueto. Spin move by Cueto, trying to go back to back. And that's going to be a miss. Paraiso with the rebound and the ball goes the other way.
Parehas nagko-commit na maagang turnovers itong parehas na teams dahil grabe sila mag-pressure sa isa't isa.
That will be the first field goal of this game.
Talagang full court press ang pinapakita nitong CMG.
Getting multiple turnovers no, dun sa full court press nila. Scrappy defense. Delio gives it to Habay. Kick out to the corner. Back to the point guard, and looks like that will be a 24 shot clock violation. So far, so good on the defensive end for Vizier. Active hands, active feet.
Oh, grabe dumipensa.
Hindi nila binibigyan ng space yung offensive player para makabitaw ng tira.
Talagang nakadikit sila.
Quick fast break attack. That was Matthew Paraiso for the easy layup. Cueto has the basketball. Ooh. Tried to find the roller in Pascual. Another steal. Counter steal. Medyo careless rin no? Both teams very
Talagang
aggressive. on defense.
Dire-diretso lang, no? Pero yun lang, no? Nagko-commit sila ng parehas na turnover. Puro steals and then miss pass, parang dahil siguro sobrang aggressive nila. Nagkakamali sila sa end na yun, no?
Medyo nakita mo, nagmamadali. Baka may onting jitters pa.
Oo, tingnan natin mamaya, no? Siguro, syempre, excited ka makalaro ngayong araw na to. At baka ganun nga. Pero ang ganda rin kasi ng depensa ng bawat isa. Talagang nagbo-ball pressure sila and then pag tumalikod ka, andyan yung help. Bigla ka na lang dodobolin sa side. So, tignan natin mamaya kung ano yung mga adjustments.
Kita mo yung energy, coming to the game.
Talagang kumbaga, pe-pressurein ka hanggang sa makakommit ka ng turnovers at yun nga yung nangyayari.
Ito ang ball club ng Vizier in the lower divisions. If I'm not mistaken, sa 11 and under, they are the champions of the Pocket League.
Hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit nag-champion sila dahil ito pa lang.
That basket was good and it was Johan Pesigan from the end one.
From defense to offense, no, galing full court press na naman. Naka-steal sila at inatake nila. No? Nakakuha sila ng foul.
And they could have had a 4-point play there off the offensive rebound. Hindi lang naka-convert itong Vizier.
Another steal. Oh.
Relo, forward pass. Medyo mahina nga lang. Stolen. But retrieves the loose ball. That's number 15, Nick Dao. A rushed shot. Pull up three. Pumasok yun. Yung bench ready to erupt.
Nag-celebrate na agad sila. Kasi I know, alam nila na shoot yun. Pero yun nga, medyo umalog dun sa tira na yun. Pero libre. Partner, libre.
Good shot. Good attempt yun. Neil Jared po. pinatanggal lang yung headband. That's number 15, no? For the Rizal Knights, Rio Frias. And they get another steal. Pesigan with the defense. And another and one. Number 9, Rafaela Villarota.
Ang ganda ng ball movement. Itong Vizier ballers. Talagang pumipressure sila.
So, attacking early, no? And I believe it is quite a bigger lead now for Vizier basketball. That was Villarosa. Yeah, my correction. Yeah, with the end one basket was Rafael Villarosa. So far, yung mga end one baskets nila, hindi nila na-convert yung free throws nila.
Sayang yung mga free throws, no? Pagkakataon na yung mga lamang pa. Grabe yung ball pressure. Itong CMG Vizier, no? Talagang
Going inside was Caius Season, drawing the foul. Trying to end this drought for Rizal Knights. Just wait a few moments for the score. Just a bit of an error there. As Season looking to add to the total of Rizal Knights and getting the first one to go down. We have 38 seconds remaining here sa ating unang quarter. Poe will inbound the ball. He had an attempt at the three-point line earlier. Hindi ka nang magwala yung bench nila. Let's see if
ready na eh.
Oo. Passing the ball inside to Reyes. That's Paraiso getting tangled with Reyes, and it's going to be a jump ball, but possession arrow. I believe staying with the red shirts, or no, there was a foul on Vizier Ball Club. Vizier Ballers.
Sa style ng Vizier ballers talaga, no? Usually makakuha ka talaga ng mga unnecessary foul dahil sobrang aggressive na sa depensa, dahil gusto mo maka-steal at makatakbo sa kabilang court.
So far, yun din ang gumagana for Vizier basketball, no? But they have to do a better job boxing out as Paraiso gets that basket to trim it down to a 1-point lead.
Saka yung ball movement nitong Vizier ballers talagang umiikot yung bola sa kanila.
That shot will not count. The buzzer sounded before Reyes got the shot up in the air, and it's going to be a close game at the end of the first quarter. Vizier Ballers with a slim 1-point lead over the Rizal Knights, and we'll be right back after a short while for the beginning of our second quarter. This is your Pocket League Season 2. Start of the second quarter. CMG Vizier Ballers with this 1-point lead as they start things off here with an attempt from the painted area, however missing. And there's going to be a foul. Foul on the side of Rizal Knights. Pull up three, gets his own miss. 2 attempts pero not quite.
Ako may hula ako na itong Vizier Ballers mga shooter to. Kasi every time na may tumitira ng 3 points sa kanila, talagang yung bench nila naka-ready na talagang sumisigaw agad eh. So I think hindi lang nahuhulog pa ngayon yung mga shots nila.
Yung mga teammates mo may tiwala talaga sa outside shooting mo eh.
Talagang patira ka pa lang, sumisigaw na sila.
Kanina it was Poe. Hawak pa lang niya yung bola, ready na magwala eh. It's number 24, Neil Jared Poe. So Anton Cueto getting the second free throw to go, or 2 free throws to go down. Lead is now at 3.
Pero dikit pa rin itong laban natin.
Oo nga
Dito pagdating na second quarter, walang nakakalayo masyado dahil nga sa depensa ng bawat isa.
Pero pag di mo alam yung score, you would think na medyo malaki na rin yung lamang ng Vizier, no? Sa aggressiveness nila on defense.
Pero bigla mo pag tinignan mo yung score, dikit-dikit lang.
So, back-to-back turnovers para sa Rizal Knights. Medyo nagkakaroon sila ng konting problema getting the ball across half court. Chavez, binigay kay Reyes. Kick out to Chavez. Ooh! That is gonna be a rare 4-point play. Chavez absorbing the contact and getting it to go.
Good acknowledgement by Reyes dahil sa kanya galing yung pasa. Pagpasa sa kanya sa post, nakita nito na libre siya. So tinawag niya ulit itong si Reyes at pagbalik sa kanya, yun nga. Nakalibre siya ng 3-point shot at nakakuha pa ng extra foul. At na-convert niya. 4 points.
Simple lang eh, no?
I think itong CMG Vizier Ballers talaga talagang prepared sila lagi sa mga games nila dahil nag-uusap sila sa loob eh.
If I'm not mistaken, this team galing Bulacan.
Layo rin, pero for the love of the game, diba?
Oo. Saka may may Skyway na tayo.
Malapit lang. No?
Oo. So, yun na yung sinasabi mong 3-point shooting.
Sabi ko sa'yo, inaabangan natin yan. Ngayon, nasushoot na nila yung mga outside shootings nila.
Parang rin pala tong Vizier no? Diesel engine.
At I think nakukuha na nila at this early second quarter yung momentum nila dahil lahat ng puntos nila galing sa depensa. Talagang full court press ang pinapakita nila at they're giving the Rizal Knights a hard time na makababa ng bola at maka-create ng kanilang opensa.
11-point lead. Villarosa was the last one who scored for Vizier Ballers. And mukhang backcourt violation ay tatawag. Still having a hard time getting the ball across. Ivo Chavez will inbound the ball. Going for another 3. He hit the 4-point play earlier. Soriano will get the loose ball. Cueto saves it. Villarosa binigay kay Cueto. Another save. Ooh. Almost but not quite para kay Ivo Chavez.
Grabe yung aggressiveness nitong mga naka-red shirt, no? Talagang gigil dumipensa. I think ang kailangan naman gawin nitong Rizal Knights ma-break yung press na ginagawa nitong CMG Vizier Ballers, no? Dahil hangga't hindi mo na be-break yung press na ginagawa nila, tutuloy-tuloy nila yan. At
Oo.
I think medyo mahihirapan ka niyan pagdating ng dulo dahil ngayon medyo lumalaki na yung kalamangan nitong Vizier Ballers dito sa Rizal Knights.
Umabot na sa 20-point lead yan. It's gonna be hard to come back para sa Rizal Knights. Villarosa, sidestep move. Still with Vizier Basketball as Paraiso tried to save it. However, had a foot on the line.
Pero grabe talaga yung aggressiveness nila. Pa-outside na yun. Itong si Cueto, deny pa niya.
A 3-point shot and looks like a bit of a late call. Pero natamaan sa kamay itong si Don Britanya, who is the captain of Vizier.
I think isa ring advantage para dito sa Vizier Ballers yung nag-uusap-usap yung bawat player na nasa loob. Meron silang communication. So, kasi pag may communication kayo sa loob, mas madali nyo ma-accomplish kung ano man yung play or yung ginagawa nyo sa loob. Dahil kung mapapansin mo, talagang yung guard tinatawag niya.
Especially sa defense, no?
Oo, talaga nag-uusap-usap sila.
4:42 remaining. Second free throw is good. Don Britanya hitting on that one. And let's take a look at this family. The quarter scene Steelers. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic make every meal a magic moment. And Relio with the ball once again. Finds the roller in Paraiso, free throw line jumper. Good attempt, but no good. Forward pass, little miscommunication. Poor spacing on that play. Relio going all the way. Ang laki lang talaga nitong Vizier.
Lalapad.
An attempt coming from Ricardo Distajo. No good. Another one from Liam Soriano.
I think kailangan ng ayusin itong Rizal yung kanilang ball movement dahil sobrang pinahihirapan sila sa depensa nitong Vizier Ballers, no?
Ang bilis rin no? Ang bilis kasi ng tingnan mo yung conditioning nitong Vizier na they just keep moving. Hindi sila napapagod.
Malaking bagay na hindi sila napapagod, no? At kung sino man yung pinapalit sa kanila, same energy. Kasi pagdating sa dulo, sa mga end games, dun mo mararamdaman yan. Dun mo makikita yung advantage nan. Dahil kayo fresh pa. So yung other team medyo pagod na.
Timeout muna tayo. Brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, and smile. And we are back here in the Pocket League Season 2. 2 free throws good for number 2, Van Relo. Cutting it down to a dozen. It's now a 12-point lead para sa CMG Vizier Ballers. So far sa second quarter talaga sila nakakuha ng advantage.
I think itong Vizier, no, Ballers, nakukuha nila yung kanilang momentum pag tumatakbo sila. Running game yung ginagawa nila kontra dito sa Rizal Knights. At ito, pinasok nila ngayon itong big man nila na si Distaho, no? Siguro may iba naman silang offense na gagawin dito dahil ayun, binigyan nila sa ilalim.
Nabati tuloy. Distaho going 0 for 2. Meron sa mga bata dito sa Vizier. Meron din silang player dun sa 11 and under natin na napakalaki din eh.
Oo, ang laki na itong bata, no? Si
Distaho.
Oo, Distaho. Sobrang laki niya. Pero I think merong reason itong si Coach kaya siya pinasok dyan sa loob. At itong yung partner niya na nasa loob, hindi rin basta-basta dahil ang laki din. Itong si Pesigan, Johan.
Ayan, Pesigan, although made the basket, natawagan siya ng offensive foul.
Kumpleto rin din sila sa lineup, talagang yung mga players nila. Yung sizes. If I'm Rizal Knights naman, kailangan maging mas aggressive ka dito at saka kailangan makagawa ka ng way para hindi kayo pressurein itong Vizier Ballers, no? At I think yung ball movement, yung more passing, no? Extra passes para maka-create or magki-create ka ng opensa.
Speaking of offense, so far the number 1 option for Rizal is Relo. Hard foul.
Good drive yun.
At saka duty foul lang naman yung binigay. No bad intentions. Pesigan going to the line for 2. Pesigan missing on that first free throw. So we are under a minute before the end of the first half. So with a save, Pesigan gets his own miss off of those free throws. 0 for 2. Medyo minalas. May takip sa ring.
Medyo may height advantage na rin talaga itong Vizier Ballers, no? Dahil kakasabi lang natin itong si Pesigan. Talaga siya yung nakaka-rebound. Mga 2 rebound siya at nakakuha siya ng foul doon. At nagkakaroon ng hard time itong Rizal Knights para makakuha ng defensive rebounds dahil meron ding malalaki itong Vizier Ballers.
Extra possessions always in favor.
At hindi nila sinasayang yun, yung mga extra possessions na binibigay sa kanila.
Nice pass to the inside. And the basket coming from Kenneth Sanguyo.
Speaking ng extra pass and forward passes, nakikita natin yung resulta. Pag pinorward pass mo siya, mas more chance na makakakuha ka ng layup dahil pababa pa lang silang lahat. Hindi kagaya pag binaba mo ng mag-isa, talagang dumodouble talaga itong Vizier.
So far doon nakakahanap ng success yung Rizal, no, sa mga quick transition points nila.
Oo. Kailangan makakuha sila talaga ng transition dahil binibigyan sila ng pahirap nitong Vizier para makakuha ng puntos.
Mas malaki rin talaga itong Vizier basketball. Even players on the bench gifted in height.
Kompleto.
Good pass inside. That was a pass coming from Neil Tamundong. Gave it to Christoph Sichon. And that basket will force Vizier basketball. Oh, sorry, we are now at the halftime break. CMG Vizier basketball up by double digits, a 10-point lead as we enter the halftime. We'll be right back for more halftime stats analysis and second half action when we return from Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League. And we have another quarter scene stealer here. Of course, brought to you by Chef's Magic. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And I'm sure you can agree for CMG Vizier ballers that magic moment coming from the second quarter and continuing where they left off dito sa third with a three-pointer, making it a 13-point lead. Tama naman yung aggressiveness, no? Double, triple team dun sa corner.
Talagang kung sino may hawak ng bola, dodo-ballin nila. Hindi pwedeng makakadribble ka ng one-on-one.
Dun pa sa mga masisikip na area, eh, no?
So ang advantage din nila meron silang outside shooting. Talagang tumitira sila sa labas at kung ikaw yung Rizal Knights medyo masakit 'yun.
Back-to-back baskets. Anton Cueto with the last layup, and earlier it was Stephen Lopez. In and out, nice pass inside. That was Valencia, nakakuha ng foul. Villarosa misses on the first free throw and nadoble na yung lamang itong Rizal Knights quickly. And Paraiso will get the offensive rebound. Bringing it back down to 15. Quick drive by Cueto. Got tangled with a couple of defenders and Pisigan misses. Not a good sign, no, para sa Rizal Knights. Medyo slow start to start the third.
Siguro meron naman naka-ready si coach dito sa second half na adjustment. Yun nga lang, siguro hindi talaga nagagawa pa nitong mga player natin dito sa coming from this Rizal Knights, no. Pero on the other hand, ito namang Vizier Ballers talagang inuubos nila kung ano mang meron dala sila para dito sa game na to. Hindi sila nagsasayang ng oras. At makikita naman natin sa mga instructions ni coach na talagang alam nila yung gagawin, no? Naka-zone sila ngayon. So, hirap na hirap makapasok.
One thing na napapansin ko from Vizier, galing nila sumundot from the blind side.
Yeah, kasi coming from help defense, yung ball pressure. Again.
Meron kang iniisip na initial defender. Yun yung nasa utak mo. Biglang may sumusundot sa likod eh.
Tsaka, I think naman, alam nila yung gagawin nitong Rizal Knights. Kasi pag spin pa lang ng Rizal, may double na agad. So, tapos i-deny nila yung mga passing lane. So, no choice talaga for the Rizal. So, ang kailangan lang gawin dito ng Rizal more ball movement. Stay calm lang, relax ka lang, reverse pass.
Yun talaga yung sekreto sa press break.
Yeah.
Dapat kalmado ka lang.
Kalmado. Reverse pass mo. Kasi, pag dinribble mo kaagad yun, yun na yung signal para dito sa team ng Vizier Ballers na eto na, do-double na tayo. So, kailangan medyo basahin mo muna siya. Or i-delay mo siya. Hindi mo kailangan madaliin. Kasi, yun nga, pag minamadali mo, lalo kang mahihirapan. Lalo na dyan sa full court press.
Here, they get the stop on the other end. Valencia, can he get the two-pointer? And he loses control of the basketball. Villarosa for three. Too strong on that one. Ball goes back to Valencia, but gets stripped by Cueto. Counter steal on the other end. Parang ganito yung first quarter natin.
Palitan lang sila, no? Pero di natin napansin. Biglang doble na ang lamang nitong Vizier Ballers dahil sa kanilang full court press na ginagawa.
Last basket scored by Reylo. And Valencia gets 4 points unanswered. It's now down to a 13-point lead. 13-point lead in favor of CMG Vizier Ballers. We'll be right back in a few moments. Of course, this time out brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, and smile. Back to the action. Pisigan finally getting on the board. Attacking hard inside. Gets the two-point basket to fall. Once again, Vizier sticking to what they do best. Another steal at the backcourt.
So hanggat maaari, huwag mong dadalhin yung bola sa sideline dahil nandoon talaga yung blind spot na double na
Oo.
naka-ready
May
para
nakaabang na
dito,
sa likod.
para dito sa Vizier Ballers.
There's a three-point shot coming from Don Bretanya. Had a couple of baskets earlier. Forward pass. And that might be a travel, yes. Yun yung pinag-uusapan natin off-cam, no? Yung same foot landing. Kian Cueto ang natawagan ng traveling.
These Rizal Knights having a hard time dito sa game natin at third quarter talagang pinupukpok sila itong Vizier Ballers, no?
After yung slow start nila sa first quarter, itong Vizier never looked back. Pesigan getting another basket. Same result from the same spot.
At hindi sila tumitigil na kala mo sila yung naghahabol para dito sa team na to, lamang na lamang sila. Pero yun yung good thing sa kanila. The other hand naman, itong Rizal, kailangan na nilang aksyonan itong nangyayari na ginagawa sa kanila nitong Vizier Ballers.
Parang nga talaga silang chef's magic, no? Sabi nga ng chef's magic from tip-off to the final buzzer.
Talagang wala kang ititira.
Lelo gives it to Tamundong. Forward pass. Mikdao. Naagawan ng bola. Crossover move. So I missed Pesigan once again. Offensive rebound and the stick back for the big man coming from the Vizier Baller squad. Even Pesigan joining the party with the steals. Already 8 points in this quarter.
Grabe.
Lead already ballooning to 25 points with 12 minutes left of action. We're gonna take a quick break as the Rizal Knights are seeing this lead balloon. We're gonna have to wait a few moments. This time out brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, and smile. And we'll see you in a few seconds. Minutes remaining here in the third, and a 25-point lead. Has been an explosion coming from Pesigan as he goes to the bench. But joining the party here for Vizier Ballers, Liam Soriano. Grabe talaga yung size nito ng Vizier, no? Nasa bench si Pesigan, pero may Soriano ka, meron ka rin Ricardo Destajo.
Palitan lang sila. Talagang naka-ready.
Saka impressive sa kanila, no, para sa size nila. Medyo mabilis rin eh.
Siguro parehas lang sila ng mga drills. Parehas lang sila ginagawa. So, pagdating dito sa game, sanay na sila.
Taho joining the party with an end one.
Medyo lumalaki na yung kalamangan nitong Vizier, no? Talagang hindi sila tumitigil sa pagpe-press. Kung may isang magiging word para or isang ginawa nitong Vizier bowlers para makuha nila yung kalamangan nito, isa lang yun is yung full court press nila. Kasi yun lang yung ginagawa nila, as in yun lang. Pag nakakuha sila ng turnover, talagang ililay up lang nila sa kabila at wala nang nagagawa itong Rizal Knights.
Hindi na naka-adjust, no? Yung Rizal Knights. Even on the other end, medyo may namalas na rin eh.
Hindi sila nakaka-convert.
Dito talaga sa third quarter, no? Yung turnaround ng Vizier. They were up by 11. Now, 27 points, so more than half ang nilaki ng lamang nila. Go inside. Once again, there was a double team. Got trapped by Liam Soriano and they force a jump ball situation. Possession arrow going back to the side of the red shirts.
Etong Vizier bowlers, nakuha na talaga nila yung momentum nila dito sa game na to. At mukhang nahihirapan talaga itong Rizal Knights na makagawa ng paraan or ng way kung paano nila masasolve. Kasi kahit nakakalibre sila, hindi nila nako-convert.
Neil Jared po shuffling his feet, called for the travel. Ito ulit, ang double team stolen. No foul called. Paul gets 2 offensive rebounds. Going and fishing for the foul. 3.97 seconds left, and put him on the free throw line. 2 bonus free throws for Poe. Will give the ball to Poe now for his first free throw. Or sorry, second free throw. That one goes in to make it a 28-point lead. Pull up for 3 would have been good if it went in. There's now a 28-point lead at the end of the third quarter. One more quarter coming up for this game. Vizier ballers in full control. We'll be right back in a few moments for the final quarter of game number 4. We are back to our fourth and final quarter. And ito, at least some sign of life for Rizal Knights as they start this third quarter with a 3-point shot.
that 3-point shot is very crucial, no? Dahil hindi pa sila nakakascore. As in, talagang yun yung malay natin, yun yung maging
Spark.
spark para dito sa game na to, no? At kailangan na talaga nilang umiscore. Tingnan natin kung ano ang dala nitong Rizal Knights papasok dito sa ating fourth quarter period.
Para sa Rizal Knights, good news, na-end nila yung scoring drought nila, pero ang problema is 27 pa ang hahabulin nila. And with the getaway move, and a player is down on the floor. I think he's holding on to his elbow. That is number 33, Jackson Smith. Hopefully he's okay. Two players down on the floor, even Soriano. Both players shaken up and hopefully nothing serious. Medyo malakas rin yung impact eh, no?
I think yung Zico.
And we are gonna have to take a quick break. Hopefully these players are okay. We'll be back in a few moments for the remaining time here in the fourth quarter. Back to the ball game. Jackson Smith seems to be okay as he hurt his elbow. I think it was the left elbow, the non-shooting hand. On the other end, a sprained ankle on the other side for Vizier Basketball. Not sure. I think that was number 16, no? Liam Soriano suffering a sprained ankle. Season inbounding the ball and not the best man to give it to, as there were two defenders on him. Vizier ballers, consistent sila with their strategy of doing this full court press, and it's been working all throughout the whole game.
Yes, talagang hindi na sila huminto, kaka-pressure, at nakita naman natin yung naging resulta.
Ganda naman ang galaw na yun.
Nice move. Pinakomit niya yung dalawang depensa. So, nag-create siya for his libreng driving lane. Di pa naman tapos to. Malayo pa. Meron pa tayong 8 and 15 sa ating oras, no?
Pero yung lamang naglalaro from 25 to 28 points. Medyo mahirap na rin humabol pero not humanly impossible. If they want a chance to catch up, kailangan ngayon na magsimula. Plays like that, di makakatulong. That's another basket will be scored by Pesigan.
That was a nice drive at nakita niya na libre sa ilalim. Itong bigs niya.
Paraiso with the last basket. Season getting it across. Big boy move. Besigan with the rebound. Give it to Poe. Poe with the spin. He gets fouled. 2 free throws para kay Jared Poe. One out of 2 para kay Jared. Lead now up to 26. Out of sync rin itong Rizal. Hindi sila nagkakaamuyan.
Hindi sila nag-usap doon. Akala ng
Oo.
kampi niya hindi siya backdoor kaso naipasa na niya. Na late na. Pero kung ikaw nga naman din yung Rizal, paano mo ipapasa yung ganyan kadikit na depensa nitong Vizier Ballers, no?
Be inbound here. Raylo has the ball.
Ayan, just a sorry turnover there. Manrique falling. And Neil Jared Poe with a quick bucket on the other end.
Quick answer by Raylo. I believe itong si Raylo is one of the bright spots here para sa Rizal.
Yes, ang problema medyo malaki na yung kalamangan na kailangan nilang habulin dito sa game na to. Pero tingnan natin kung kaya pa nilang mag-adjust.
Saka na-extend pa after that layup. 28-point lead. Nakakuha na naman ng steal ang Vizier.
For me, itong trademark siguro talaga nitong CMG Vizier Ballers yung kanilang full court press, no? Doon sila kumukuha ng kanilang opensa galing sa full court press nila.
So far for Vizier na wala ka naman nakitang player na who stands out talent-wise that can create for himself. It's more of yung team play. Saka yung depensa nila.
Yes, talagang team effort ang pinakita nila dito. Kasi kahit sino ipasok mo, kaya pumuntos. Walang yung ilang player lang. At galing kasi lahat talaga yung mga puntos nila sa kanilang depensa. Another defensive stop, oh. Tapos with ball movement.
Three-pointer was launched by Reyes. That was John Reyes. However, he misses. Samson protecting that ball. Nasulitan sa likod and it's a reach and foul.
Talagang dinodouble nila. Wala kang chance na mapasahan yung iba dahil pati yung passing lane talagang kino-cover nila. Dine-deny nila yung release pass.
Pull up coming from number 19. Eugene Manrique. Active hands talaga no?
Talagang yung hands nila ilalagay nila sa face mo para mahirapan ka.
We can say na itong CMG Vizier Ballers, they came into this game more prepared, no? And silang game plan and na-execute talaga nila.
I think sobrang na-execute nila at sa tingin ko naman ginagawa talaga nila to sa kanilang mga ensayo, no? Dahil pagdating dito sa game, plakadong-plakado. Halatang halata na inensayo nila dahil kung saan nila gusto papuntahin yung opensa, doon talaga pumupunta at doon sila nakakakuha ng bola.
For Rizal Knights, if they lose this ball game, ano na sila for today? 1-1. Of course, dun sa 10 and under division natin, they won against All Right Grind Hoops.
Oh. Nice pin move.
Pero mamaya, our 5th game, the Rizal Knights are still playing 15 and under division. Kontra sa the Point Guard Academy ulit. Errors like those na masakit eh, no?
Oh, yung ipapasa mo na lang tapos na turnover ka pa dahil and it's an inbound. Sobrang sayang. Pero kudos pa rin dito sa ating Rizal Knights, no? Dahil they're trying their best talaga to cope up dito sa kalamangan na meron itong Vizier Ballers. Ang problema, ayaw huminto nitong Vizier Ballers sa kanilang depensa. Pero sa tingin ko naman meron din good side na nangyari itong game na to para sa Rizal Knights dahil coming sa mga next game nila, mas mapaghahandaan nila itong mga gantong klaseng team, mga gantong klaseng depensa para sa next game nila alam na nila kung ano yung next na gagawin nila. So hindi naman dito natatapos itong game nila if ever dahil marami pa silang next game at pwede pa sila mag-adjust. At least ngayon, at this early dito sa liga, nakita na nila kung ano yung mga pwede nilang i-improve sa kanilang training.
Sabi nga nila, di ba? Sabi nila Jordan, nila Kobe, I was afraid to fail. That's why I succeeded.
Grabe yung mga ang lalim ng mga words na yun
Hanap pa tayo. Medyo may 2 minutes pa tayo eh.
Pero yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko, etong Rizal Knights, may makukuha sila dito sa game na to. Hindi porket ganito yung nangyari, yung kalamangan tapos na. Meron silang makukuha dito na knowledge para madala nila sa next game.
Charge to experience na rin, no?
Yes, tama.
Naranasan nyo yung ganitong klaseng depensa. Next time around, makakapag-game plan na kayo.
Para in case na talagang ganito rin katindi, dumipensa yung kalaban nila, prepared na sila.
For the coaching staff, malalaman nila na, kailangan natin ng, let's say, nag-tune up game sila, maghanap sila ng team na medyo ganito rin yung style, para ma-simulate nila yung real time.
Kasi ngayon, I think nagulat sila dito sa pinakita nitong Vizier Ballers dahil grabe yung depensa na pinakita. At di lang depensa, pati yung opensa.
Lilo Rosa tried to go for the layup. Down to the last 80 seconds of this game. Floater coming from number 25. That's Evo Chavez. Sinabi mo si Evo Chavez, naaalala mo yung 4-point play niya kanina.
Oo. 3 points.
Sundot ulit. Lopez gives it to Pesigan. All alone for that layup. Already a 37-point lead. Game is settled already. About 48 seconds left. Chavez has the ball now with Villarosa. 10 seconds left on the shot clock. They move the ball around. An open three. That's a miss coming from Anton Cueto. Villarosa with the spin and the shot off the glass. Rizal could take the last shot. Going all the way is number 33, Jackson Smith, gets 2 points. That will do it. A 37-point victory for CMG Vizier Ballers. As they dribble it out. That will be it for game number 4. Dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Bucket League Season 2. John, final thoughts mo sa game na to?
I think for this CMG, Vizier Ballers, it's a statement win. Dahil talagang pinakita nila kung gaano sila kadiin dumepensa. Siguro nga ito yung trademark nitong team nila, no? At the other side naman itong Rizal Knights, medyo naging slow start sila dito at kaya naunahan sila nitong CMG Ballers, pero nagpakita pa rin sila ng magandang game dito. Yun nga lang, medyo kinapos sila, no? At learning itong mga nangyari sa kanila para sa mga next game nila, no? At dito naman sa CMG Vizier Ballers, talagang team effort itong pinakita nila, kaya nakakuha sila ng ganito kalaking kalamangan, no? Ang score natin ay 78-41 ng Rizal Knight, no? At talagang throughout the game, pinaressure nila, no? Pinaressure talagang full court at hindi sila huminto, no? At hindi lang yon dahil meron silang mga iba't ibang depensa na pinakita, no? At hindi lang yun, dahil buong team ang nag-effort para makuha itong panalo nitong CMG Vizier Ballers, no? And I think ready na itong si Justin para sa ating Chef's Magics Best Player of the
Kasama
Game.
natin ang ating best player of the game, Johan Pesigan from CMG Vizier Ballers. And Johan, start ng first quarter, medyo slow start, no? Dikitan lang yung laban. Ano yung naging adjustment nyo or ano yung nakita nyo sa second quarter na doon kayo nakalayo sa kalaban nyo?
Ano lang po, bumawi lang po ako, tapos inayos lang po namin yung depensa namin. Tsaka po yung offense namin. Yun lang po.
And ano yung naging preparation nyo coming into today's ball game?
Nag-training lang po kami kay Coach Mike. Yun lang po, nag-training lang po kami. Pinagandaan po namin.
Kasama mo yung mga teammates mo, coaches, mga staff nyo. Any shoutouts?
Shoutout po kay Coach Mike, kay Tita Joanna, kay Ibo Chavez, kay Anton Cueto, kay Pip Gonzalez, kay Ricardo, kay Wade Lopez, kay Santi Villarosa, Liam Soriano, Kian Cueto, Calix Reyes, Don Britannia, Jared Pose, tsaka po kay Nino Lianto. Tsaka shoutout din po sa nanay ko na nasa Batangas po, tsaka po yung tatay ko po na nagtatrabaho sa abroad. Yun lang po.
There you have it, Johan Pesigan, our Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game. And we'll be starting game number 5 in a while. It will be covered by Baron Marcado and John Mahari. And see you later. We'll start in a few moments.
Liga ng